Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 20th of November, sorry, October 2025. Starting with Forex Factory, we don't have news on 20th. I'm talking about dollar news in medium and in medium impact news. So on the Tuesday, we don't have any dollar heavy impact or medium impact. Similarly, on Wednesday, same thing. However, Thursday is medium impact USD, and Friday we got a lot of news. 1:30 and medium impact 3 p.m. So it's quite heavy, quite a lot on the core CPI, CPIMM, and CPI YY share. That's important news. So Friday is almost full of news. So now jumping on the chart, see what's happening. And monthly strongly bullish. Currently we are uh, still in the running month, and weekly is why bullish, daily is bullish. However, some important areas, and with looking at the daily candle, it's kind of non-decision candle because the both sides is the uh, wick. So I can expect a range here. However, if it breaks to the downside, then I would expect this point of interest around this area. And let's go on to 4 hour now. Let me delete this. And 4 hour market has already rejected from here. This level. So it 41.85. Now it's going to the upside, and there's still room to go upside because there's a fair value gap here. And also notice another point of interest is this one. So market can easily come here as well. It is 4100 level. Now going to 1 hour. And this is as you can see, there's a fair value gap here in 1 hour, and market is already may come to this level according to H4. We've seen this, sorry, we've seen this area here. So it can come up to here. So around 40, 50 to 40.23. This is one zone, and this support resistance zone, and the other one 41 to 41.20 to 4100, and the next one 41 to 90, almost 41.99 to 41.72. So these are the areas we'll be looking for any possible opportunities. And this is another opportunity here, as I mentioned. And you can further elaborate and further you can carry on. And because this is the resistance area, as could be where the candle is closed, it looks like it might come down and then go to the upside, at least to this level. And once this level is broken, we can see more possible move to the upside. However, otherwise we can come down, we can expect a range until this is broken to the downside or to the upside. So that's what's happening, and I hope this is useful. And this is just a short video to give you a short, brief idea how the market works. And if you want any specific video on a particular topic, please do comment on the video, and I'll make sure I'll put it on for you. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.